At the end of the day, you will not remember the person with the most beautiful face, but you will remember the person with the most beautiful heart and good character. Great things never come from the comfort zones. The more you see, the less you fear, and the less you fear, the more you do. Expect the best, even when you fear the worst. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Stop sitting around tables that speak badly of others. When you leave, you are the topic. A satisfied life is better than a successful life because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart. Listen to everyone and learn from everyone because nobody knows everything, but everyone knows something. Happiness comes when you stop complaining about the troubles you have and thank Allah for the troubles you don't have. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything. When flood comes, the fish eat ants, but when the water dries, the ants eat fish. So life gives chance to everyone. Just have to wait for your turn. Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. Never be afraid of change. You may lose something good, but you may gain something even better. Life is not same for everyone. Respect yours for what you have. Life becomes much easier when you delete negative people from it.